Hi everybody, Dave Blinder from eXp Realty. It is not uncommon to be selling and buying a home at the same time. Some of the reasons for doing so include upsizing, downsizing, and also relocating. If you're doing two real estate transactions at the same time, it's important you're conducting some careful planning, and that's why as a real estate professional, I'm here to help you. So in today's video, we're talking about 3 important things you need to know about buying and selling a home at the same time. Number 1, it's all about the exit strategy, because if you don't know where you're moving to already, you shouldn't begin the selling process yet. Number 2, leasebacks are increasingly common in today's market. When a leaseback occurs, the buyer completes their purchase on your home, though you remain in your home beyond the closing and rent it out from the new owner. This allows an overlay period where you, the seller, have realized your proceeds and provides you additional time to complete your next purchase. And number 3, it's a seller's market when we list and sell your house, and it's still a seller's market when we purchase your next home. It's very important we write competitive offers to secure your next home. If you have any questions whatsoever on selling and buying real estate at the same time, dial me up, and I look forward to chatting with you.